And the Oscar goes to Drive My Car, Japan. Yes. Woo! Ohayou gozaimasu.
This is the 5th Oscar and 14th nomination for Japan.
Thank you very much. Oh, you are the Oscar. Hold on. Yeah. I'd like to thank all the members of the Academy for having us here. And I'd like to thank Janus Films, Sideshow, 1,150,000, and Cinetic for bringing Drive My Car to United States. Thank you very much. And I also would like to, just a moment. I also would like to thank the actors here. 西島秀俊さん、岡田将生さん、桐島玲香さん、パク・ユリムさん、ジン・デヨンさん、アン・ヒデさん、ソニア・ヤンさん、おめでとうございます。そして、and I'd like to thank all the actors who could not come here, especially Toko Miura, who drove the Less Up 900 beautifully in the film. 三浦さん、撮りました。ありがとうございます。Thank you very much.